The destination is...
We're here at Blizzard Beach. This should be fun. 85 degrees, and we decided that we wanted to go to the water parks. First time using GoPro. We don't know if this is like good angle or not. So we'll see how it is. But this is what we're doing. How do we get? Where do you want to go? We're right here.
Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Please, my little baby girl is in need. Got another mouth to feed. Leaving with the babysitter, mama call the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Might have had your fill, I can feel it still. We could fight a war for peace.
Bro, this is giving me chills.
Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. It's time to give a little to the kids in the middle, but oh, until it falls, won't bother me. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. Yeah, your lover's an abyss for my heart to eclipse now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, I can feel it still. Might have had your fill, I can feel it still.
Now that we leave, there's a free tube. Just got finished with the water park. Overall, it was a blast. We had fun. We pretty much did everything in like less than 3 hours. I wouldn't recommend like spending a full day here, but I don't know. I like it. I just bought 2 pins. I don't know whether or not it was impulse buy. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of my day, but I do know that I should be editing.